Jim will be explaining the perforation setup that comes standard with the 714 XLTE tabletop folder.
With this, again, the first thing you'll do is remove your hoses from your feed table, the white and the black, the vacuum and the blow. Take your feed table back, and then many times just lay it on the stacker. Then lift your slitter shaft assembly out of the machine. Then take the flathead screw using M3 Allen wrench. Take the screw away from the gears and lift the end cap off. Then you can take your pull-out tires out of the way because you will be putting your perfing assemblies usually between the two pull-out tires. And then here I have already assembled the 41 tooth perf blade that comes standard with the machine, and this is the ring and the two screws that hold this assembly together. This black ring, what that does is help keep the blade straight from wobbling or any distortion when you screw this all together. For this application, I'll just put the scoring, or the perfing, on the top shaft. Then I will put the anvil on, and you can see on the anvil it's got rounded, but it's got very sharp, clean, straight cut edges here. It's got a wider groove and a narrower groove. What this is for heavier stock, you probably use a wider groove. For lighter weight stock, you use a narrower. For this application, I'll probably use a narrow groove. Do this 20-pound bond. Put it in there. Put the perf blades between the groove. And then you can assemble your pull-out tires. But before you put your pull-out tires on, you'll need to put your stripper in place. What this does is the stripper actually goes between the top shaft and the bottom shaft. And what that will do is keep the sheets from wanting to ride up or riding onto the perf blade and jamming up. This will peel that sheet off the perf blade. Then once you put that on, then you can assemble this. Put your pull-out tires back in. Put your hold down on. Then put your end cap back on. And then you put this assembly back into the machine. Adjust your stacker hold down slightly. And then a lot of times after I do this, I may move my scoring blade so it's up tight against that groove that I showed you in that lower anvil, so that makes a scissor action, and that's what cuts the sheets. And with that perf blade, it's actually a 1 millimeter cut, a 1 millimeter tie. After you put the feed table back into the machine, you hook up your hoses, black to black, white to white. Start the folder. And as you can see, we're doing a half fold, but we're making a perforation through the product. And then if you want to fold onto that perforation for an application, or if you just have a simple tearaway reply card for the mailing industry, you can see a simple perf.